Hare Krishna. Transcendental book distribution ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So we are approaching the month of book distribution marathon December. I clearly remember His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj. For many decades, I observed the month of December. Maharaj would say it's the month of book distribution, and practically everyone, all the students, congregation, brahmacharis, temple devotees, pujaris, whoever is there, they should all get involved in book distribution. Just like Kartik is the month of Srimati, is very dear to Srimati Radharani. Similarly, this book distribution month, where Bhagavad Gita was spoken, December month, is very dear to Srila Prabhupada. And all the devotees should very actively, enthusiastically participate with the best of our capacities in this book distribution marathon. And we'll witness great force and great enthusiasm, and also we will see how we can bring about a change in the people, how these books are bringing spiritual change in the lives of people. When I was very young, my father brought Bhagavad Gita and my mother read it, although she thought, why did you spend so much money? At that time its cost was just 14 rupees. And my mother read it all and kept it in the almirah. And after 3 years, we got introduced with ISKCON devotees, started coming to temple, and in 1996, my father became a life patron of ISKCON society, and he got all the books of Srila Prabhupada, and we started reading it. And my father, then we started going every week to the temple, and my father every week would bring some new book, some title which he wouldn't have, and then he would read. My mother would read also, and then we used to come every Saturday to ISKCON Punjabi Bagh temple. And then when I was 9 years old, maybe 10 years old, and I also thought, let me distribute these books. So my father, mother arranged books for me, and my sister used to complete our homeworks in the school and go house to house in our society, in our colony. And then we could distribute 50 books, and we were highly inspired. And the next year, and His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, we were introduced to him. And the small boy, small children, they are distributing books. And Maharaj was extremely pleased, and he encouraged me personally, of course along with all other senior devotees. And then before marathon, whenever he would come, he would tell me, oh, the small boy, you should tell everybody how you are distributing books. So like that, I distributed 200, me and my sister distributed 200 books in one marathon. One time we distributed 300 books also. So the point is, if where there is the will, there is the way. All we need is to be enthusiastic and try our best, and the Lord will give and show us the way, whom to give these books. And likewise, there are many experiences many of our devotees have. One very striking experience, which one of our congregation devotee family, they every year distribute thousands of books. They are a big businessman family, and all the family are devotees, second initiated devotees, some of them, many of them, and they are businessmen. So they go to their clients and encourage them to sponsor 100 books, 250 books, 500 books. And sometimes they get the names of the sponsors or their company's name printed on the first page of Bhagavad Gita. And then the parties, they are distributing and they give gifts or in the occasion. So one time, one such party got a call from one person, and he said, I got your number from the Bhagavad Gita, and I want to express my gratitude to you for having that. I got this Bhagavad Gita from, and how it changed my life. I was so much depressed, just like Arjuna in the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. But when I read this, it brought such a transformation. Just for thanking you, I have called you. And this party said, oh, we have not brought the book. We were given by such and such person. So he called our devotees, and that's how this family got so much encouraged to distribute more and more books, reach out to them. We don't know which book will bring transformation in which person's life at what point of time. So therefore, the more we try, Krishna will give us the intelligence to distribute books. I had my personal experience where we distributed books to people, tried to preach to them, and eventually they came to us, and they became wonderful devotees. I remember there was one cultural festival in IIT Roorkee, and we had 2 lectures there. And after the lecture in 2009, we had put the book tables. So, and then people came and purchased the books. And in the 3 days festival, we got quite a good response, because many colleges students had come, and we would note down everyone's phone number, name and their college, etc. And then there was a group of 4 boys who were from some other college. But one of our devotees started calling them up in some other city, and they used to call them and follow them up. And he would also preach to them sometimes and tell them to read the Bhagavad Gita which they have purchased. After many years, I met a person, and he was working in Gurugram, and then he had come to temple, and he had come to actually our base, and I had gone to also the youth center where the program was there. And he said, Prabhuji, aap Murli Krishna ho? I said, yes. So I said, how do you know? He said, you remember 2009 Thomso festival? I said, yeah, I clearly remember. And he said, I took a book from there. And eventually this one devotee used to call me and follow me up. But then I read the book, I started chanting a few rounds, but I got disconnected. But when I got job, and then at that time, I got reconnected with the devotees of ISKCON, and I started chanting 16 rounds, and now I'm chanting 16 rounds, and I got placed here in Gurugram, and now working here. Eventually, this devotee joined full time, and he started distributing books. So we see there's a great potency of these books, and anybody can distribute practically. Whether you are a child, male, female, boy, businessman, serviceman, whoever you are, if you have the will, if you will try, you can always distribute. Now, one challenge we may face is in getting big numbers of books distributed. So, for big book distribution, ISKCON Punjabi Bagh in last 19 years have been consistently number 1 amongst the medium temples all over the world. So, I want to share a few tips that we should actually go out to the people who have the capacity to donate and ask them to sponsor, a few books, maybe 50 books, 100 books, 250 books, 500 books. And those who sponsor, we should acknowledge them throughout the year. We should send them prasadam. We should give them invitations, invite them to temple, call them and thank them, and so forth. And develop relationship. So by developing relationship, they will feel inclined and become connected. And the sponsored books, wherever we are distributing, in jails, in schools, or in some religious temples, places, etc., libraries, so many avenues where we can gift those books at the places where people can't afford, and we can tell them this is where we can send them the photographs or letter of appreciation that how these books have been used. So people, when they see that their money is utilized for a right cause, for the propagation of Sanatana Dharma, for the propagation of teachings of Bhagavad Gita, for saving the humanity, they feel very inclined and want to offer their services for this cause. And to even do it in bigger numbers, it's also a challenge. So in last 5 years in ISKCON Punjabi Bagh, we started a program called International Value Education Olympiad, and it has been attended by lakhs of people. It's a United Nations Environmental Program certified program, and a very successful initiative with the Ministry of Forest and Climate Change endorsing it, and lakhs of people participated. We teach them environmental teachings or value education from Bhagavad Gita. It's a very successful program, and every year we distribute, initially we started 6,000, and this year we have given more than 90,000 books to students. And because they have to study this book also to prepare an exam, and this way they open the Bhagavad Gita and they study it also and prepare it. So likewise, we can package the distribution of Bhagavad Gita in various ways and help uplift the society. So therefore, Srila Prabhupada books are very potent to bring a very positive spiritual cultural change in the society, and all of us devotees of ISKCON and followers of Srila Prabhupada should endeavor hard that each and every person in this world gets the Bhagavad Gita or Srila Prabhupada books and associate with Srila Prabhupada, and through Srila Prabhupada books get the mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are very sure someday or the other these books will definitely bring a spiritual change in their lives. Sooner or later, we don't know, and mind you, we will get the credit for having been the instrument of delivering that book. But that person will say, oh, how did I get the book? And Krishna will know, oh, this was the devotee who gave this message to me. As Krishna promises in Bhagavad Gita 18.68 and 69, that the person who gives this most confidential knowledge to my devotees is most dear to me. There's no one as dear to him as the preacher of Bhagavad Gita or as the preacher of these teachings. So therefore, if you want to become dear to Krishna, we have the shortcut of book distribution marathon. Hare Krishna. Okay, Hare Krishna. As followers of Srila Prabhupada, we should also be very well aware of the philosophical teachings in the manner Srila Prabhupada is presented. Srila Prabhupada worked very hard. He got up very early in the night at 1 o'clock or even sometime midnight to translate these books for the benefit of the humanity. He presented the ancient text in very simple, modern, easy to understand language, and therefore, when we present, when we study these books, we get the knowledge, we get the conviction, we get the discrimination about right and wrong, what is right, what is wrong, and also we get the answers to so many questions which we have or the people we preach to. And when we study these books, we also should remember that how much Srila Prabhupada worked hard as an offering of gratitude. And then when we meet people, if we give the answers from the books of Srila Prabhupada, from the logics, from the examples, analogies, quoting even Sanskrit text, it becomes extremely powerful. And Prabhupada has tried his best to answer all the anomalies of the society in his purports, in the books. And if we regularly read them, our intelligence becomes very sharp, our attraction for Krishna starts developing, and there's so much knowledge about Krishna. Krishna is infinite, knowledge about him, his attributes are infinite. And Srila Prabhupada has very beautifully presented them in his books. So if you try to understand, Krishna becomes very pleased. Oh, here is a devotee who is trying his best to understand me. Let me reveal myself to him. Now the question quite often devotees ask, we are unable to understand these books, especially bigger books, Bhagavad Gita, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Nectar and Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. So we have a good news. The good news is that many disciples and followers of Srila Prabhupada and grand disciples have also presented Bhagavad Gita reference books or guide books or study books, study guides, which are very helpful to understand the flow of subject matter, where is what analogies, and what examples, what are the different connections, and with different exercises, along with courses like Bhakti Shastri, Bhakti Vaibhav, etc., which can help us for systematic study of Srila Prabhupada books. So as loyal followers of Srila Prabhupada, we should remain loyal, and the more we read, the more we hear, the more we chant, it is natural that we will have more remembrance of Krishna. So therefore, by getting this knowledge from the Guru Parampara as presented by Srila Prabhupada, we will ourselves become convinced, we will be able to convince others to remember Krishna and to go back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.